something going on. Those blackbirds keep flying over the house. It's about 50 degrees today, November 28th. I just think it's really cool to see the blackbirds flying like that. In the sky, here they come again. They keep doing that. Here comes some more. Isn't it incredible? Oh my God, they're everywhere. Whoa. Something is not right here. All right, there's a predator around. And those clouds, I just love it. I don't know, I just thought it was a neat video to start Monday with. My fur and feathered friends. What's going on, Blue? What's out here? You're such a good bird. Six blue jays. A brood of 6. The squirrels look like little bears. They got their winter coats on. Well, it looks like that show is over. That was pretty intense. Ciao for now. Peace and be wild. From Connecticut.